something looks off, doesn't it? Do you guys know what's missing? 350Z, my brother's at work. This is my mom's van. So where's the Evo? Well, if you guys don't know by now, my Evo, it's gone. Like, that's it. I no longer have it. Finito. I did buy a new car though. I'm not gonna say what it is right now, but I will reveal it as soon as the car gets here. I got a bunch of paperwork right here from the dealer that I have to sign, send back to them, and then we'll arrange the shipping of the car. So I'm hoping sometime next week I'll have the car, and then I'll do like a proper review of it. But for now, I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on, and just let you know that that's it. No more Evo. It was a fun car, you know. I had it for almost 3 years, but I just felt like it was time to move on. I've had a lot of cars in the past. I had a 240 that only lasted me like, what, 3 months, 4 months. I had a BMW 325i CI, actually. I had the coupe. That lasted me like a year or so. After that, that's when I got the Evo. So the Evo's the longest car the car that I've owned the longest, basically. And I enjoyed it. It was a fun car, you know. At one point, it was my dream car. And you know, I'm very grateful that I got to experience a car like that, that I even had the opportunity to buy a car like that. Because a lot of people, it's their dream car too, you know. So they're probably looking at me like, what the fuck, why'd you get rid of it? When you probably want one of them. But to be honest, you know, I live my life on experience. I want to experience as many cars as I can throughout my lifetime. So if I have the opportunity to buy a different car, then I'm gonna do it. You know, I would have liked to kept both cars, but my bank account ain't set up like that yet. But yeah, anyways, I did have a lot of fun in the car. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on, why I haven't uploaded any videos in the past like 2 weeks. Well, first, I've been working a lot of hours, been working the night shift, so I don't really have a lot of time to do stuff throughout the day. But yeah, that's it. It's gone. So this is a new beginning, new content, new car, new totally different experience. For those of you that know what the car is, don't say anything, please. It's also been one of my dream cars. And this has been like the longest week of my life. I bought the car, what's today, Friday? Literally a week ago. But I've been having to send out the paperwork over there, and then they've been having to send stuff back to me. So it's just here and there right now. And then we gotta schedule when the delivery will be. But you know, I'm just waiting for it to get here, that's it. And it's only been a week. It might take another week for the car to get here. I don't know. I really don't. This is the first time I buy a car that's out of state, so you know, just gotta be patient, which I don't have at this point. My anxiety has been over the roof for the past week. But you know, when it gets here, I'm sure I'll enjoy it, and I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it, because it's a car that, like I said, not many people even get to see here, let alone have the chance to ride in it or drive it. And I've noticed that there's not a lot of content on YouTube on these cars, so I'm excited to share the experience with you guys. But yeah, I mean, I'm a little bummed out that the Evo's gone, but like I said, I live my life on experience, and If I have the opportunity to buy another one of my dream cars, then why not? You know? And it's okay to move on. It's okay, the past is the past. Focus on the future. And you know, just do your thing. That's it. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. So make your dreams come true. That's it. Simple as that. So yeah, I'm excited for the new car. I want you guys to comment down below what car do you guys think I got. And if you know the car, don't say anything, please. Don't ruin it. It's a special car, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it or hate it. I don't know, but we'll see. Yeah, comment down below what you guys think the car is. Don't forget that I'm doing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm like at 890, like at 891 or something like that right now. So I just want to thank you guys for all of your support. I'm almost at the 1,000 mark, and once I hit the 1,000 mark, then the giveaway is going to take place. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. Literally just click that button, just click it, and that's all you got to do to be entered. So you know what I realized? I'm gonna have to change my name on IG now, because I'm not gonna have an Evo anymore. Give me some ideas, guys, or wait till the car comes and then give me some ideas for a new name on Instagram. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on, why I haven't been uploading the update on the car, since I've been saying that it's gonna leave forever, and then it never left, and then it finally left. So yeah, just a quick little video on what's been going on. Thank you guys for all your support. Feel free to comment what you guys think the car is, like this video, and subscribe. And the next video will be the review video. So I'm excited, hope you guys are excited, and I'll see you next time.